When I talk with new employees or any of the employees at any point in time, I tell them to let me know. Doesn't matter, just let me know what's going on in the facility. I can't be everywhere. I depend on them to help me do my job better.
With my coworkers, if they see something that it's not right, I tell them to go to the person, talk to them, and help them and teach them, because if I'm making a mistake, please come and tell me, because that's how I'm going to learn.
Not too long ago, I was in the stairwell and I came across a backpack that was unattended. So the first thing you think of, see something, say something. So at that point, I reached out to the police and I stayed there with them until they actually came, assessed the situation, and then realized that it was one of the contractor's bags that was full of tools. It could have been something much more serious. But also the fact that it had tools in it, a veteran could have got a hold of it or a visitor and hurt themselves. So it was safely removed so that nobody has access to it.
In our laundry, we do 2.5 million pounds of laundry a year. One of the laundry workers, she asked, hey, you know what would be really nice? If you got one of them spongy walkway paths and put it in these areas. And we're like, yeah. You're like, what? You're serious? We can do that? I'm like, yeah, we can do that. How much is that going to cost? Nothing. What's an on-the-job injury cost? You know, how many times do you have lost time work from people who have lower back pain and fall or slip because they're working in a wet area? Let's get everybody steel-toed boots. Let's make sure that they have safe walking surfaces.